Next up, did you know that Jeff Bezos has his moon ship? You didn't know that.
No.
Yeah, he wants to go to the moon.
Moon ship?
Yeah, it's he's trying to go to space, right? Well,
yeah.
Everybody's trying to go to space these days, including us. It's our next project. Just like Elon Musk, yeah, he's interested in space, which is kind of cool. The rocket in question is New Glenn, currently under development, with plans to become one of the most powerful rockets on Earth. I think it looks pretty cool. Jack, what do you think? You into that? Looks futuristic. There's Jeff. He's feeling great. He's reverse aging somehow. You got to appreciate that. Maybe he's already got the moon minerals. Maybe he's the one with the rare earths, Jack, injecting it straight into his bloodstream. He's reverse aging. Don't quote me on that. Although Blue Moon was originally envisioned as a cargo vessel capable of delivering gear for experiments, Jack, he's doing them on himself probably, and habitats by mid-2020. In 2017, he promised that it would be a launcher-agnostic spacecraft that could fly on top of its own New Glenn rocket or on NASA's new space launch system. Apparently, that thing is capable of delivering between 3.6 and 6.5 metric tons of payload. I mean, is it really going to look like that? That much payload? 6.5 metric tons? Wow. The engine is 3D printed. It's all very high tech. It's all very interesting. They're pouring billions of dollars into it. Everybody is interested in space again. I can't say I mind. It's cool. It's interesting. Could it be a new private space race? Never mind Russia and the United States, but Bezos versus Musk. Mm-hmm. Pay-per-view event. Tune in. You take Musk. Jack takes Musk.